Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an upper lip razor. First, ensure your skin is clean and free of makeup or oils. A gentle exfoliation helps prepare the area, preventing ingrown hairs and ensuring a smoother result. Next, apply a warm, damp cloth to your upper lip for about 1 minute. This simple step softens the hair and skin, making the shaving process much easier and more comfortable. Now, let's talk technique. With one hand, gently pull your upper lip skin taut to create a smooth, flat surface. Hold your razor at a 45-degree angle against your skin. Use short, light strokes, always moving in the direction of your hair growth. This minimizes irritation. Remember to rinse the blade frequently, perhaps every 2 or 3 strokes, to keep it clear of hair and product buildup for an effective shave. After shaving, it's crucial to soothe your skin. Rinse your upper lip with cool water. This helps to close your pores. Gently pat the area dry with a clean, soft towel, avoiding any rubbing. Follow up with an alcohol-free moisturizer or a calming serum to hydrate and reduce any potential redness. For the next few hours, avoid harsh products or direct sun exposure to protect your freshly shaved skin. For ongoing smoothness, you might find yourself shaving every 2 to 3 days, depending on your hair growth. It's important to replace your razor blade regularly, ideally after 5 to 7 uses, to ensure it remains sharp and hygienic. Always store your razor in a dry, clean place to prevent any bacterial growth. If you have sensitive skin or are trying new products, a small patch test is always a smart idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.